Hi, this is Marty Hazel. I hope you and your families are staying safe during this challenging time. As part of our learning and development efforts in the Planning and Economic Development Department, I'd like to welcome you to our first online leadership tutorial. Today we're going to review the difference between leading and managing. Many people use those terms interchangeably. They believe that if you're in a management position, you're automatically a leader. That is not the case. Leading and managing are different activities, both of which are practiced by managers, and both of which are essential for any business to be successful. The key differentiating point between management and leadership is that leadership relies primarily on motivation and inspiration, whereas management relies on formal position and authority to accomplish goals. Now I'd like to encourage you to click on the link included in this email for an inspiring 12-minute TED Talk by a gentleman named Bob Davids, who illustrates the difference between leading and managing. Take care.